In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a review on Airbnb. If you've come across a review on Airbnb that you believe should be taken down, the process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to follow the right steps and provide clear information when reporting it. To begin, go to the Airbnb website or open the Airbnb app on your phone or tablet. Once you're there, log into your Airbnb account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or listing, because the review will only appear in the account where it was posted. After logging in, head to your profile and then open the reviews section. This is where you'll be able to see the reviews connected to your account. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific review you want removed. It helps to double check that you've selected the right one before moving forward. Since reviews cannot simply be deleted manually by the user, when you locate the review, look for the three dots next to it. Tap or click those three dots to open the review options. From that menu, choose Report Review. This tells Airbnb that you want the review to be reviewed by their team rather than trying to remove it yourself directly. Next, you'll be asked to choose a reason for reporting the review. Select the option that best matches the issue. If you have any supporting evidence available, such as screenshots or details that help explain why the review may violate Airbnb's policy, include that as part of your submission. The more accurate and relevant your explanation is, the easier it is for Airbnb to assess the request properly. Once you've submitted the report, Airbnb will review your request and decide whether the review violates their policies. This step may take some time, so be patient while their team looks into it. Keep in mind that not every negative review is eligible for removal. In most cases, Airbnb only removes reviews that break their rules, so it's helpful to focus on policy violations rather than personal disagreement. If you need more help, you can also contact Airbnb support directly through the Airbnb Help Center. That can be useful if you want additional guidance on the reporting process or if you need to follow up on your request. And that's how to remove a review on Airbnb. Follow these steps carefully, provide clear evidence when possible, and you'll give yourself the best chance of having the review properly reviewed.